In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add table in Sejda PDF Editor. If you've ever needed to place a table into a PDF using Sejda, there's a simple workflow that gets clean, professional results. Start by opening the Sejda website in your browser. Sejda is an online tool that helps you edit PDFs without installing anything, which makes this quick and convenient. Once you're on the site, choose the option to edit a PDF document. You'll see a clear button that says it's free to use. Click that to open the editor. Next, upload your PDF by selecting your file from your computer. Give it a moment to process, especially if your document is large. Here's an important note before we add the table. Sejda's editor doesn't offer a built-in, pre-formatted table tool. The best approach is to create your table in another app, like a spreadsheet or word processor, and then add it to your PDF as an image. In that app, set your borders, align your text, style your header, and make sure everything looks exactly how you want it. When it's ready, export or save the table as a high-quality PNG or JPG. A crisp image with good contrast will look much better once it's placed in your PDF. If possible, size the table close to the width you'll need on the PDF page so you don't have to enlarge it later, which can soften the text. Back in Sejda, click Images. Use this to upload the table image you just created. Place it on the page where it belongs, and drag the corner handles to resize it proportionally until it fits nicely. Take a second to align it with any existing margins or headings so your layout looks intentional and clean. To make parts of the table stand out, use the Highlight tool. Click Highlight, then drag over the header row to give it a subtle emphasis. Click Highlight again and apply it to the first row of data if you want alternating shading or extra focus. Click Highlight again to mark another row or section that needs attention. And click Highlight once more to emphasize any final area, such as totals or key columns. You can usually adjust color and opacity, so choose a light tone that doesn't obscure the text. Think a soft yellow or pale gray for readability and consistency. That's the process. You've opened your PDF in Sejda, added your table as an image for precise formatting, and used highlights to guide your reader's eye. Follow these steps and your PDFs will look polished and clear.